Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and in this video I want to talk to you about a wow combo for your card making and scrapbooking projects. And currently we're in celebration time with Stampin' Up, and it is a great time of year, great time to purchase some wonderful Stampin' Up products, and with every $50 purchase you get to choose an item from the celebration brochure. Well, this year Stampin' Up has knocked it out of the park with their offerings, and I want to show you this particular one. It's the Grapefruit Grove and Lovely Lipstick foil sheets. There are 4 of each color, 12 by 12, and it is a wow and just beautiful. And let me show you. Now the combo could be the 2 different colors there, but I'm talking about one of our dynamic textured impressions embossing folders, which is also new in the occasions catalog for 2019, and it is this lace. I mean, look how intricate that is. And so I have a piece of the this is the Grapefruit Grove foil, and you can see all of the colors that picks up, how beautiful that is. And I am going to run it through the Big Shot. I want my lace to be running across, so I'm going to lay this across the folder just like that, okay, and fold it. And then I'm going to get the Big Shot, and since it's a dynamic folder, which dynamic folders are much thicker and usually more detailed, okay, and so I just need the basic Big Shot platform, just the one level, a cutting pad that's going to go on top of the dynamic textured impressions embossing folder. Okay, so I'm going to get that straight and then put that down on my platform and run it through. Okay, let me get it all lined up here. It's wanting to slip and slide on me, and roll it through. Are you ready? Oh, look at that. Isn't it beautiful? I just think that is just wow. So I made a card with a piece like that. Let me show you. Here it is. I mean, look, it's just, is that not wow? I love it. Okay, I used a simple sentiment from the Incredible Like You stamp set that's in the Occasions catalog that I just love, and then just use some punches, 1 3/4 inch, 2 inch, and then the Starburst punch, some vanilla twine, and then some of this Grapefruit Grove ribbon that is also one of the free offerings. And look at all those beautiful colors, okay? So anyway, I just had to share that with you because I just, wow, and so easy to make a card and it come together with such a beautiful accent piece for the background. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Visit my website at InkandInspirations.com for more ideas, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.